Hello.
This is Vince from Best Rate Insurance, and I'm doing a quick follow-up on a rate reduction for your auto insurance quote. I just need to ask, are you currently insured for your car?
Well, hold on a second. I am so excited because I learned a new skill. I was practicing all day, and I got it 3 times in a row. I can belch the alphabet. Listen to this. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever heard?
Yes, sir.
I can't believe it. I did it like 3 times in a row.
Brian, I'm speaking to Brian Kebla, right?
There it is. I just did it again. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna try it again. Hold on.
Sorry for that.
Damn it! I didn't do it. I screwed up.
So let us continue, sir.
Oh, I can't.
Right.
I'm just too excited. I have to practice this. You have to call me
Oh.
back. I have to keep burping the alphabet because this is too exciting.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I will call you back, sir, but I may ask, who are you currently insured with us at the moment?
Okay. I can't focus. I'm too excited about my new skill. Thank you.